back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out some Texture ID products for the first time. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I did do a video reviewing their shampoo, conditioner, and deep treatment mask. So if you want to see how my hair turned out with that and what I think about, you know, those products, then you can definitely click the iCard up here. So yes, it's gonna be my first time trying out their actual styling products. So I picked up their styling cream right here. Their let's see, what is this? The thermal multi styling foam. So I picked up this. And then I got their dry hair and scalp relief soothing oil. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do a wash and go with these products. I've done a wash and go with foam before, so I feel like, you know, it might not be too far-fetched. And this says it is for like twist outs and stuff, but I'm gonna try to do a wash and go because that's what I want to do. But yeah, so let's just get into it. Okay, so I do have a little bit of leave-in in my hair. I just used the Mielle Organics. I just used a little bit because that's what was in the shower. And I was going to get their leave-in, but it was like a spray leave-in, and I really don't like spray leave-ins. So I was like, yeah, I'm not going to get it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and wet this because my hair is not wet anymore. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with this styling cream and put it on this whole section. Funny story, y'all. When I first saw this brand, this was maybe like some years ago, I had saw them in Sally's and I was gonna try them out, but I had like opened and smelled them and I just did not like the smell. I was like, no, not picking these up. And ever since then, I just never thought to try this brand. Like, I saw it and I've seen so many people use it, but I'm just like, you know, I don't know what was going on or what I was smelling that back then, but I was just like, I'm just really not liking the smell. But it doesn't smell too bad now that I'm smelling it now, so I don't know what was going on then, but I should have just picked it up and gave it a chance, but you know. But okay, this is what it's looking like. We finna see how it's feeling. Okay, it's pretty thick. It's like a, you know, normal size texture. A normal texture for a cream. So let's just go ahead and apply this. Okay, it went right on in. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it's just not, I guess, like my favorite smell. I would just say it's not the best. I mean, I feel like it's super moisturizing, but I don't know if it's gonna give me like the definition I'm gonna be looking for with just this. So maybe that's why it's good for just like twist outs and stuff, but we're gonna see. Oh my gosh, I just realized I have not ate all day. It's like 2 o'clock. I'm hungry. Okay, now we're gonna split this in half. And then we're gonna go in with the foam. Y'all know how I like to do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and brush this out. See what the curls is looking like after, you know, you get a little definition from the brush. But for the most part, it feels pretty good. Okay, so this is the definition just with the cream, which is really not that bad. So let's go in with this foam to see what that's gonna do for us. Okay, if I can get the top off. Okay. So I got like 2 pumps. Let's see. Okay, looks like we're getting them down there. All right, yeah, the foam looks like it's gonna get us through there with the definition, okay? For sure, for sure. That's what we need, is some good definition. Okay, I see you, texture. Texture ID. Can you show your ID for me? I'm so lame. Oh, yes. Okay. This is what we looking like. Clumped up. I'm not going to do too much separating. I'm going to just leave it how it is because it's looking pretty good. Yes. Okay. This might be a good little combo. Period. Alright. So I'm just go ahead and do this on my whole head. Self-explanatory. Not really much to say. You know, I'm going to give y'all my thoughts and opinions towards the end. But so far, so good. I feel like this is going to be a fall wash and go. So, we're going to see. Okay, y'all, so I have all the product in. Here is how the curls are looking. Okay, pretty defined, pretty cute and whatnot. So I am going to diffuse this and then, ooh, scalp itching a little bit. I'm gonna diffuse this and then I'll be back to give y'all the results and my opinions. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from diffusing my hair. It really didn't take that long, and this is how my hair looks. I haven't put no oil, I haven't picked it out or nothing. So one thing I noticed is that these products, I don't know if it's the foam or I don't know which one it is, but it definitely like elongated my hair. The back of my hair usually shrinks up every time I do my hair, and I'll have to like blow dry it to like stretch it back out, but it's not shrunken at all. Like it's like regular. So that, because usually it'll be like all the way up here, but just in the back. Like the front it'd be straight, but the back, I don't know why it always shrinks up the most, but it didn't even shrink up. And my hair is like so airy and flowy and it's still defined. So I'm like, okay, this is cute. So I'm about to go ahead and try some of their soothing oil. I'm just gonna put some of this on my scalp and then on my hair as well. Feels like, you know, regular texture. It doesn't feel too thick. So I'm about to just, you know, rub some of that on the good scalp and put some of that on my hair too. It smells like sweet and strong at the same time. But yes, my hair is like super fluffy, as you can see. So if you're looking for a fluffy defined look, I feel like this is definitely the combo, because there's no crunch. I mean, I ain't using any gel, so obviously it's not gonna be crunchy, but yeah, it's like super fluffy. Has a lot of body. I really feel like me just doing that made me not even have to pick it. Like literally I'm just fluffing it out with my hands. Like y'all see how much bigger my hair just got? But as far as like lasting abilities, I don't know if this is gonna last a long time because it is so like fluffy, and you know the curls aren't like super duper defined to where it's like it'll loosen up over time. So yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but as far as getting like a good day one wash and go, this is definitely the combo right here. So I think I might put my bobby pins in just to, you know, get the hair on my face to really get the look that I be wanting. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, y'all, so my final thoughts on all the products is I really like them. I think I want to try each one separately. Maybe the foam with like a flexi rod set or something like that to see how it works with that, and then the actual styling cream with a, you know, twist out, just to see if it will have a pop and twist out. So let me know if you guys want to see, let me know if you guys want to see me try those products out in a different way. But I actually really like them. I don't really have anything negative to say. The styling cream was very moisturizing. I feel like the foam definitely gave me like this fluffy, cute, defined look. So I am happy about that. The oil, I mean, I definitely spruced my hair back up. As y'all know or may not know, like my hair always is like slick dry after I diffuse it. I don't know why, it's just always looking dry. So this definitely made it not look dry anymore, which is definitely the goal. And my scalp felt pretty good for what it is. So yeah, I gotta keep on trying this out to really see like if I'm gonna really like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, let me know if y'all have tried these products down below, which I'm sure y'all have, because everybody and mama's sleep done tried these products. I think I'm like the only one that's like a little late to the game. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.